Hello guys, and welcome back to Leechancekids Kids channel. Here kids tend to learn some yoga poses, some movement, and it helps them to be fit, body strengthening, flexibility, and they stretch their body and they get really good. So today's pose is all about bridge pose. So this kit is gonna show you how to do a proper bridge pose step by step. Okay, sit in a crisscross position facing each other if you're in a partner, or you can just look at me. Avoid rounding your back, sit straight and make sure your spine is straight. Great, that's a good posture. We always need to make sure that when we sit, our spine are really aligned and we are breathing. Take 3 breaths to get ready. Good breath. So while in that pose, you're lying there, the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna lie on our back. Lie on your back. For them, there's not enough space and they really wanted to do it together. So lie on your back and bend your knees. Good. So this is also known as a partner pose. Working together is always fun. Just listen to what I'm gonna be telling you, Leon, step by step. Relax, Leon, relax. Just lie on your back. Well, good. Bend your knees 90 degree, Louise. Move your knees closer to you. Move your legs closer to you again. Good. Now relax your hands to stretch and place the palms of your hands on the floor next to your legs. Leon, turn your hands and place the palm on the floor, because you will need that to press the floor and lift your body up. We're getting ready to push ourselves up. Inhale, 3 breaths to get ready. Last breath. Good. Always breathe to refill yourself, to get some energy, and it's a lot really beneficial for you. Now press the floor with your hands. Engage. Lift your butt up. Lift your chest up. Lift yourself up. Leon, you can move forward if you need to. That is a proper bridge pose. Well done. Stay there for 3 breaths. Lift up, really up. Breathe. Last round. And relax. Good. To get even more challenge, you need to bring your knees closer and hold the ankle of your legs. Hold your ankles. Leon, move forward so your head should be away from the wall. Move forward. Good. Hold the ankle properly. Inhale. Press and lift yourself up. High. Up. Lift your butt up, Lilu. Good. That's a great bridge pose. Lift. Great job. This pose helps you. Relax if you need to. This pose actually helps you to massage your intestine. That's why it's very important as kid or adult that we all do it, because it helps us to massage the intestine. Like I said, it helps you to stretch your abdominal part of your body. It helps you to build a strength there, and increases digestion and circulation of blood in those parts of your body. So one more round. Lift yourself up one more time. High up. You can play around with your hand. You can put your hands together. Yes, you can do whatever you want with your hands. Good. You can pretend to fly. Leon, put your hands out. Good. And it's also very good for back pain relief. Great. Relax, guys. Well done. That was it. High five to each other. And just like them, always do the same. Just 3 to 2 minutes.